Hey there, welcome to Site Boosters. If you're into tech tips that make life easier, fascinating facts you've never heard before, and the latest updates in cloud computing, AI, and all things tech, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. Let's dive right into the video.
The third core storage option offered by Google Cloud is Cloud Spanner. Cloud Spanner is a fully managed relational database service that scales horizontally, is strongly consistent, and speaks SQL. Battle-tested by Google's own mission-critical applications and services, Spanner is the service that powers Google's $80 billion business. Cloud Spanner is especially suited for applications that require a SQL relational database management system with joins and secondary indexes, built-in high availability, strong global consistency, and high numbers of input and output operations per second. We're talking tens of thousands of reads and writes per second or more.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.